Cadillac birdhouses. I thought I'd try scaling up some Cadillacs. This is my 1927 Cadillac limousine. And to show you how I do it, I find the car and I make some sketches of it as close as I can. And then with the sketches, then I construct the parts of it like this as a 1959 Cadillac Eldorado. And then I transfer those, once I'm done with that, onto some scraps of plywood that I, as a carpenter, I always got some scraps of plywood around. I don't know why. So, real simple and fast and easy, and I'm making these. Okay, I'm cutting out the Cadillacs here with my saw. Here's a couple already ready. It's so easy to do. Okay, I'm trying to finish off my 85 Cadillac Coupe de Ville here. Front and back. A little tire on the back. You see I still have these to make. And then here is the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Barrettes. Right here, the same one. Same one, a little bit more to do, sanding. And then lastly, I made 3 1927 Cadillac limousines. All birdhouses.